Okay, I'm here in my 2005 Volkswagen Golf. I'm about 1,000 miles away from 200,000. And I got a check engine light, and I picked up my little code reader that I got from AutoZone, P0101. Okay, and I look it up, and it's for the MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor. So and it says possible causes, something in the map, in the sensor itself, or a vacuum leak of some sort. So let's check it out. Okay, engine bay. I know, it's dirty. Anyway, air cleaner, MAF sensor. It's got two bolts. Look like the stars with the little piece in the middle. So the T, I guess the T. I'm gonna say T25s. It's most likely some dirt or something inside the sensor. So I'll go get my tool and open it up. Okay, so got it off of there. I ended up having to take it. There's two Phillips screws that hold this whole housing. In. Screws to the air cleaner box, and then some pliers to pinch that clamp to get the rest of it out, because I couldn't get these out. These are star bits. They're T25s, but for some reason either that centerpiece is mushroomed a little bit, or I don't know. It won't go in there. Anyway, so I took some vice grips and I grabbed the edges of this to start twisting it off. So that's what I'm doing now. Alright, so I got it out. A nice little O-ring here. Got a couple pins right there. Insides. I went and got this specifically made for mass airflow sensor. See, for delicate hot wire, hot plate plastic. So set that down on some paper towels and spray it, and then dry it off. Camera work's not doing so great right now. Get all up in there. Yeah. And then let it sit for a second, and then dry it off. Okay, so this stuff, alright, so this stuff kind of evaporates, kind of like acetone. I just sprayed it on there, and I don't know if you can see inside there, but I know it's getting kind of dark and my flashlight's off the side of my head, so there's some metal pieces in there. I'm guessing those are the sensors, or the bars that pick up whatever they're picking up. So sprayed in there too, just clean the connections, and I put it back all back together. Probably go and see if I can find some new T25s screws later, but for now I'm just gonna put it back together. the way I took it apart with vice grips. Alright, so I got it back in. Remember, squeeze this, shove it back in. Phillips, and another Phillips over here somewhere. Where my finger is. Here. And yep. Put the plug back on. Put the plug back on. Click. And that should be it. Go back in the car. Yep, still reads. Okay, so now go into my thing, hit the red button, paint, sure, yes. And it's erased. Check engine light, gone. Reading again, and since we erased it, good to go. So now I just, drive it around and wait to see if it comes back on. If it comes back on soon, like they say you're supposed to clean the MAF sensor every time you change your air filter. So if it comes on before I need to change my air filter, and I take it apart again and I look at it and it's not dirty, then there's something else going on, vacuum leak or what have you. But for now, sounds pretty good.